Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be making a bridal hair, popularly known as okuku. For a start, I'll be using this cap. You can see my model is on low cut, so I'll be supporting her with this cap. I'll place the cap on the head, and to know how far the cap can go on her head, now I'll make cutting groundnuts or akara hair. This is what I'm doing. Going to make akara with this all around where the cap is going to be laying. I'm going to use this akara to hold down the cap to the head. I'm going to continue this process all around. And after making the akara, I'm going to place the cap on the head and sew down the cap with a needle and thread. As you can see, I'm going to be sewing it down with a needle and thread. Pass the needle through the akara to the cap all round. I'll continue the process all round. And after that, I'll place the horn at the middle of the head. I'll make sure it's at the middle of the head, and I'm going to tack it down with the needle and thread to hold it down to the cap. Make sure it's firm and it won't fall off. I'll start from this front and go to the back and do the same thing. Hold it down to the cap also. I'm going to start adorning the hair with my bead. First, I'll start with this gold glass bead. I'll hold it down. I'll tie it first and start wrapping round, and as I arrange, I'll wrap and arrange. It's just a continuous process till the entire bead is exhausted. Mind you, this is just a straight long glass bead. These are tiny glass bead. Just one straight long glass bead. Then I will sew down with my needle and thread so that it won't get loose. that is done, I'm going to start with my beads, normal red beads. I was just as I did with the glass bead, I'll continue the process with this red bead. Wrap round and arrange. And so I'm wrapping anywhere is not hold it down. I will use my needle and thread to hold it down. Anywhere there is an open space, I hold it down with my needle and thread and continue the process all round. As you can see, I'm holding it down with the needle and thread so that it won't get loose or there won't be any open space. You can see it's very neat back and front. Now I'm crossing through the horn, still wrapping around till the bead is exhausted. That's the simplest way to make it. All I have to do now is just to, after sewing down the last piece of the bead, I will just add my pins for adornment. I'm going to adorn it with the pins just to beautify it. That's the simplest way to make an Edo bridal okuku. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is the final look. My model is all dressed and set. These are the pins. You can see my model is already at the studio. We are here for shoot. So thank you for watching to this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.